guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm Malari, and in today's video we will be reviewing the new-ish, it's kind of been out for a while, but new to us, this is the Morphe 9C Matte Essentials palette. If you're new here, we love Morphe here. Somebody in the comments told me that they're having like a lawsuit or something right now, but secretly I don't care, still love them. Also, if you're new here, we do have a giveaway going on. I will be showing you guys all of the giveaway items at the end of this video. I will timestamp it here, so if you just want to skip on through, that's rude, but go ahead. But if you're interested in this Morphe palette, check this out. So cute. So we're gonna look at the color story. How gorgeous is this? I'm thinking we are definitely gonna do like a smoky bluish look. We're just gonna do one eyeshadow look today, and yeah, let's get right into it. I hate that Morphe is struggling, but I mean, not from us, because we are definitely dedicated, very dedicated. Well, I know I took some time off, and I'm sorry. I know you guys been waiting on this giveaway video, but y'all just have not been feeling good. I don't know what it is. Whoa, look at me jumping the gun. Relax, girl. We're gonna start with this shade right here. This is just gonna be like a good transitional shade for us. So we're gonna start here, and then we're gonna move on. I will not forget to show you the next one first. Hopefully I won't. But yeah, I just have not been feeling all that great, so I just took some time off, and I'm sorry, but we're back now, and I'm hoping that this palette is gonna be great for us. Hoping that this palette's really be great. So far so good. I'm kind of feeling like this brush may have had something on it, because it's definitely showing up a little bit darker than I was expecting it to initially, but sometimes darker is better. The blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice, you know. Not mad at it. Oh, and this is a Alexis 205 brush that we're using. And I'm kind of feeling like we're just gonna go ahead and use it again to blend out this next shade, because that basically did nothing. Absolutely nothing, but I'm fine with that. We're gonna go into this dark shade right here first. I like the fact that with this palette you can make a complete daytime look with it too, or you can smoke it out and make like a smoky blue like what we're gonna do. Love that for us. That is great. So I'm gonna start in this outer corner, and I'm gonna try to keep it kind of low, because I do want to use those bluer shades too. Now on this side, the shade came on really well. It's very dark, not too patchy, but the other side is definitely kind of struggling a bit. Maybe we need some more product on here, so let's grab the palette, add some more. Okay, so yeah, I just needed some more product. That is looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and move on to the next shades. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that Morphe has a lawsuit. I need to look at what it is. I should have looked. Maybe I'll Google it. We're gonna go in with this shade right here. These shades are very similar to me. So this one's just like a tad darker, but we're gonna go into this one right here. These cool tones, they are just like, I don't know, I've been really into silver lately, like more so than gold, which is new, and I'm kind of loving that for us. This palette is definitely full of smokiness, which I also love. Whatever it is, Morphe, I support you. You know what? Let me figure out what this lawsuit is about real quick. I'm gonna Google it. Y'all, I'm kind of shook. I just Googled what the Morphe lawsuit was about, and I cannot believe them. So it said that some of the additives in some of their palettes was causing severe irritation in people's eyes, rashes, and other like irritations and stuff. Oh my god. It says other embarrassing problems. Jesus, Morphe, that's kind of fucked up. But maybe it's probably something that they just didn't know. Like, they didn't know that it was causing that. Surely they got it fixed. I've never had that problem, or have I? I have had like some eye irritation before, but I don't know if it was like a Morphe palette that did it, but you know, either way, I kind of feel like we're in too deep. We're in too deep with Morphe. We can't give up on them now. Don't be like that. Let's move on. We are gonna go into this shade right here. I don't know, because I kind of want to use this shade on my lid instead of this one, because this one is so bright and so loud. I don't know that I want this on my lid. I kind of want like a more of a cool look. So let's go in with this one first. We're gonna blend this into here, right here. We're gonna blend that in right there on each side, just to kind of lighten that area up. And then again, we're gonna use this shade on the lid. This shade is really pretty. Of course, it's not gonna stay like that. We're gonna blend some more. We just want to lighten up this area, but that is actually a very, very pretty shade. I kind of think that we could have used it on the lid, and it would have still been kind of a cute color, but I just don't want it to be too loud. Sorry if I get to tell you guys the brushes, but this one is the Doja Cat blending brush, and the last one that I used was Stay Sharp by Sugar Rush brush. Look at that collection that look like pencils. Very cute. Okay, so if you made it this far in the video, I am going to tell you guys a secret about the giveaway. There are going to be more things added, or simply just a second giveaway. It depends. I haven't decided yet, but I'm so excited that we finally hit 1K subscribers. Thank you guys so much, everyone who supported me. It's been many long years. I really can't even remember when I published my first video. I think it was 2018, but that's like, that's 5 years that it took me to get to 1K. And I mean, 5 years, lots of time being inconsistent, lots of time not even having area to film in or money to buy more palettes. But you know, if you guys are working on your YouTube channel, do not quit. Let this be a lesson to you. Do not quit. You can get there. Our next goal, of course, is gonna be 10K. We don't stop at the 1K. 10K is the next goal. That's our big goal. But yeah, I'm over the moon happy that we finally reached 1K. We need to do it updated, like chit chat, get ready with me. So if you have a question that you want me to answer on here, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. Each question that you list below will act as one bonus entry into the giveaway, or one entry into the extra giveaway. So however it ends up rolling out, you're gonna get something out of it. Ask away, I'll answer you. Now I'm gonna take my Ace Beauty eyeshadow base. We're gonna do like a small cut crease. I just want to make sure that we have a nice blank area for that lid color. Okay, now that the crease is cut, let's dive right back in. We are gonna go into that shade that we talked about before, this one right here. We're gonna put this on the lid. I don't know the name of this brush, sorry. I was like, oh, I forgot to tell them the brush. I forgot. But this one, the name is missing. The blue is very pretty, yet very patchy. Very patchy. It's not. I'm going back in with that Lexi 205 brush to blend out this outer corner with the shades that we used before. But yeah, this shade is extremely patchy. I do not love that for us. But I mean, it's looking good. It's just really patchy, so not ideal, but you know, it's okay, I guess. Let's go ahead and pop that shade on the other side. know why it always has to be the lid shades that end up looking like that, because the blend on this crease, I wish that you guys could see it up close. It looks amazing. And I mean, not that you can really see the cut crease anymore because the blues kind of blend in the middle, like right here, but it just looks so good right here, the blend. I don't know if I want to do something crazy like add a white liner to this or not. Should we? I think we should. I don't do white liner that often. So this is the Makeup Revolution. This is, yeah, so this white liner is by Makeup Revolution. We're gonna use this today. Let's just see. If all else fails, we can go back to black, but let's just see what happens. I always feel like white eyeliner needs so many like layers to make it look good. That's why I almost never do white liner, but here we are. Okay, so I added some lashes. I honestly kind of feel like whenever you use white liner, you need white lashes, because I just feel like it just doesn't look right. These don't look right. But we got this palette at Ulta. This was $13. If you're wondering, I do think that it is a good buy, just because most palettes that we see, they don't actually, ooh, it wasn't broken, it's safe. Most palettes don't look like this. They don't have a lot of cool shades. They have more warm tones, which I kind of appreciate because I prefer warmer eyeshadow looks. But if you're just looking for a cool tone shade, just something different for your collection, like I kind of was, this is a good buy. $13 at Ulta. It's like nothing. You spend that at Starbucks every morning. It's nothing, girl. It's nothing. Now, without further ado, I know that what you guys actually came here for, what you looking for.
What you looking for? We got what you looking for.
Bars. Let me show you. So in this box is just part of the 1K giveaway. I just don't have a box big enough yet, and there's still gonna be more stuff added to the giveaway later on before, you know, the giveaway ends. If you've made it here, you missed the bonus entry that's in this video somewhere. Shame on you. You skipped to the end. Shame. Shame, shame. But let me show you what's in here. So naturally, I have to get you guys some lashes, but look at how cute these are. They came with little stones here at the bottom, so you can put them on your lashes or wherever. I'm not gonna tell you what you do with your things. These are your things. You do what you want. I picked these up at Five Below. So these are erase your face, like makeup erasers. You have to have some of these. You have to remove that makeup. Yes, girl. Makeup erasers for the win. New brushes, of course. Cute little makeup bag, little travel case. I also got you this mirror. So this is from the Makeup Revolution Clueless collection. You guys get a little handheld mirror. Super cute. Super duper cute. I don't know if I told you guys how much I love press-on nails, but I also added some of those in there for you. These love press-on nails, so there will be some in your giveaway as well. We have the Wet n Wild Pampered collection. I actually bought this collection to review and I never did, so I'm just throwing it in your giveaway. Never even opened it. You get an Ofra palette. This one is a signature palette, Symphony. This one has a lot of nude tones in it. I've seen it online, but I didn't want to open your stuff for you. So yes, I believe that this is the one with a lot of neutral tones. Either way, it's a free Ofra palette. You're welcome. It's just some cute little bedazzled hair clips. The Too Faced The Sweet Peach palette. We have some face masks here, collagen masks. We have a hand mask. We have the ABH Glow Kit for the Glow Mamas. A Makeup Revolution palette, another neutral with warm tones, so perfect for you. We love that. Love to see it. Okay, so we have some plasma gloss from Lovecraft Beauty. Extra shades in here from the UltraLavender. Was it UltraLavender? What was the name of this collection? I think it was UltraLavender. I kept calling it Ultraviolet. UltraLavender collection by Morphe, the lip plumping gloss. This right here, you guys absolutely love. This is the e.l.f. Niacinamide Power Grip Primer. Absolutely love this. Love, love, love this. So this is also going in your giveaway. We have this is a Way Detox Shampoo. It smells delicious. Mascara, a Benefit. You got a liquid eyeshadow. Your lip kit from the Snow White collection. Lip scrub from Snow White collection. And then we have the Morphe Abby Roberts palette. This is a big one. You guys are getting a lot of stuff. A lot of things. We also have a Farrah liquid eyeliner. Start putting some of this stuff back in your box. And you know what? That is not even it. Araceli Beauty blenders. We have the ABH Brow Freeze. That is going in your giveaway. Okay, so we also have a lip stain. I'm not exactly sure what color this is. So very pretty shade. I can't actually read the brand because it's in like weird lettering. But yeah, this is it. So you get a lip stain. A pencil. This one is in the shade Milk Chocolate Souffle. This is by Cap Beauty, so that is also in there. We have a dewy lip balm. This one's by Rare Beauty. Shout out to Selena. Y'all, whose team are you on? Are you team Haley or team Selena? There will be no hate here. No one will be upset. We're not gonna hate you. Just kidding. But you team Haley or team Selena's? Let me know. I think I'm team Selena's because Haley out of pocket. To be for real, she really is. Okay, and last but not least, I got you guys a heart ring light with a tripod stand so that you guys, if you're interested in filming your own content, you definitely could. I've actually used this ring light before. Right now I'm filming with my vanity, so like all the lights are like around here and my tripod stand in the middle, but I literally have used this before and I use this at work too. So yeah, you guys have your own ring light. This is all going in your giveaway. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, there will be some more things getting added to the giveaway before the giveaway ends. And yeah, you have plenty of opportunity to enter. So again, if you missed the giveaway, the bonus entries in the middle of this giveaway, you might want to rewind, actually go and watch the video. You know, give your girl some support, watch the videos, because this is a ton of stuff and there's still more to come. So to enter the almost dropped everything. So to enter the giveaway, just in the comment section below, let me know, because I'm assuming you're already subscribed. Obviously that's part of it. Make sure that you're subscribed, like this video, and let me know in the comment section below which thing in the giveaway you're most excited to get. In the next video with even more bonus entries, I'll be giving you a look at the rest of everything that's going in the giveaway, and I hope you guys are super excited. I'm excited to give all of these things away to you, and you will see my face in the next one.